at my friend Chrissy's house, and she's going to be putting in my hair extensions. I got my roots touched up by her the other day, and so now I'm gonna get my extensions put back in for the show. So my hair is still pretty long, but this is for like volume and, you know, a little bit of length, but it definitely just looked really good on stage. It's 10:30, so she's like a super trooper trying to help me out right before show. This is just the craziness of the night before leaving for a show, and so we're gonna get that in, and we're gonna do like a full night of 0 sleep and try and sleep on the plane.
Show you.
Oh my gosh.
I know, here we go.
Here we go.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime.
Great. Hey everybody! We just made it on the plane. We are sitting here. Got that behind us, which is nice. And we have 9.5 hours. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we have 9.5 hours until we get to Tokyo. We have a 2-hour layover and then 5.5 to Manila. So excited! And we're gonna be flying into this guy's birthday. I don't know why. Are you excited?
Yes. Really excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
But so on this flight, no eating for me most likely, and because I'm gonna try and sleep because I gotta like let my body rest anyway. So I'll see you guys later.
Capturing the raw moment.
I feel really tired. We had I thought it was 9.5, but it was like 8.5. So it was an 8.5 hour flight. And we stayed up really late last night trying to just like be able to sleep on the flight. And then I ended up I watched 2 movies. So I stayed up for like 4.5 hours. But then, like, it was split up, but I slept for 4 hours, which was really good. And then I've been trying to push water so that I don't get, like, the effects of all the bloating, but I still am starting to feel the bloating just a little bit. And now we are in Tokyo, and we're just going to wait for our flight to Manila, and then that is like a 5.5 hour flight. But once we landed here, it was 4 o'clock, and it went into his birthday, so it's his birthday now, and awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, it looks amazing.
Thank you.
Wow.
I think it's like a miso soup.
Yeah, it looks amazing. I'm supposed to get stuff for the protein, and I'm having some carbs right now, but I had some issues with my food, and so I was kind of thrown off by that. So I'm trying to find something in the airport that I can actually eat. So I found this tuna and salmon, and then there's just rice. So, and then I'm supposed to keep sodium in so I can have the soy sauce too. So I'm so excited about this. Alright, so we got these on the flight, and they're little, what are they, cookies?
Cookies. Shortbread.
They're like little shortbread cookies that are so good, but I couldn't eat it, so snagged them for later. But got a couple things over here. On our layover on the way back, we have like 5 hours, and we're gonna do like actual shopping and like more food, like probably indulge in like more things. So got some of these. This is actually for my sister because my sister actually eats everything with chopsticks, like even popcorn, which is actually really smart because then you're not getting the butter all over your hands and you're just and it's kind of like calorie control. And then I use them all the time too, like especially for my poke, but not for my popcorn. And so I got these pair for Steven and I. The blue will be his and the purple will be mine. And then for anyone who has been watching Vlogmas or seen it at my fridge recently, I've had all of my magnets upstairs. I collect magnets from wherever I go as kind of just like a visual memory. And so I got this little girl here with the paper fan. So I just got one of those, and I collect those that way when I'm like opening my fridge, I look at it and it like reminds me of the time I had and the memory. So I just got a couple things and we're gonna board the flight soon. And once we get into Manila, I'll give you guys a hotel room tour because the resort there is really cool. So I want to show you guys that. I'll see you guys in Manila. Hey guys, we just got in. We're in Manila. It is 12:50. What's up? I look wonderful right now. I'm so tired, but I wanted to give you guys a quick room tour before I end up like we mess it all up. Just kind of show you what it looks like. So this is where you enter, and oh my gosh, you guys, the hotel itself is insane. I can't wait to show you that tomorrow. The shower and bathtub. It's a nice bathroom, and then we have a king size room here. Got these huge windows. I'll show you the view tomorrow. It looks really nice. That is it, guys. That's this gorgeous room. Oh, and they brought this stuff up, which you can't have, but in a couple nights I could. That is going to wrap up this episode of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned. The next one is going to be the show day vlog, and I'm going to show you guys around the casino. I'm going to show you all sorts of things. It's going to be an amazing time. And then there's just a lot more coming up. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Subscribe and hit the bell if you guys want to be notified when I upload my next video. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye, guys.
This Christmas will be some